Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to join the Steel Brainrot Discord server. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And you can do this one on your phone as well. Okay. Now, as you can see here, I'm using my PC. So let's just go ahead over to the plus sign right here, which says add a server. Okay. Click on it. Now, go ahead and go to the bottom and click on join a server. Click on it. We don't have to put any link right here. Just type in Brainrot, okay, with S. Okay. Again, Brainrot. Now, once that's done, just click on join server. Wait for it. And as you can see, as fast as that, we are now in the Steel a Brainrot server. As you can see here, you can just easily click on adopt tag so you can start wearing this tag from Brainrot itself. Click on adopt tag like so. Now in here, it says you must be a member for at least 10 minutes to send messages in this server. Just wait for it. And then once the 10 minutes is passed, just click on this green button right here and follow simple prompts just to verify. Okay, you could go ahead and follow this set of instructions right here. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.